Hey! Ho, ho!
In the battle over gun rights in Virginia, today some suited up outside of the state capitol in Richmond.
Josh, right here, bro.
Those in body armor armed with guns joined with thousands to rally against what they see as government overreach in the form of proposed gun laws.
Last election was not a referendum on gun control.
Along the Capitol grounds, speakers addressed the crowd in a lobby day address meant to send a message to the state lawmakers. You couldn't see their faces from down the hill, but their voices made it clear.
We want our legislators to listen and to respect our federal and state constitutions.
Democratic majorities in the General Assembly have proposed gun legislation they say will make communities safer. But these advocates say the government cannot infringe on people's Second Amendment rights.
Any infringement to the Second Amendment, simply that, an infringement.
To get onto the Capitol grounds like we are, you had to go through security, and that's why there are these fences that line the perimeter. But take a look here at the streets of downtown Richmond. They're packed with some people who chose not to come onto the grounds.
For one, I don't want to be trapped inside. If something goes wrong, if there's somebody that plans ill will.
Today, no one did. Governor Northam issued an order banning guns on the Capitol grounds, saying there had been threats of violence. And while nothing happened, some still had that on their minds.
Somewhat, because there were outside groups that were talking about doing something. I think it's very unlikely. There's a huge police presence.
That police presence and potential threats not stopping thousands from still showing up.
They're not here to promote violence. I didn't feel like I was approaching a violent situation.
As this protest stayed peaceful. In Richmond, Brendan Ponton, News 3.
Even though weapons weren't